Welcome to LSV Weekly, your Sunday snapshot of smart living across the GTA. From top school zones to kitchen wins and real estate trends, we're covering what matters most: home, food, and lifestyle that works for you. Our hot zones pick this week: Castle Green and Oakville. With some of the region's most sought-after schools and parks that feel plucked from a movie set, this neighborhood is leading the way for young families looking to settle smart.
Families here benefit from access to highly rated schools like Oakwood Public School, St. James Separate School, and Pine Grove Public School, all scoring between 2.6 and 3.2 out of 4. For French language education, École Secondaire Gaëtan Gervais and EEC Sainte-Marie offer excellent programs. This area isn't just about academics. Castle Green is a family-friendly community with vibrant green spaces, safe streets, and easy access to Oakville's best amenities.
Explore the full countdown of the top 10 GTA school areas, now streaming only on lifestylevideos.com. Next up, let's talk weeknight wins. These crispy chicken wings are oven-baked, flavor-packed, and perfect for last-minute dinners or that surprise game night.
Okay, so what I've done is I've turned over every individual piece and I've re-seasoned it the same way with the olive oil, the garlic, the steak spice, and the chicken spice. Really, the more work that you put into seasoning, the better it's going to taste, so just give it as much love as you can and it'll be worth it in the end. So now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to shake up this pan of chicken so it's now all nice and real coated. I'm going to put this into the oven. The oven has been preheating for 500. You can use broil high, keep it on the low rack. What we're gonna do is we're gonna babysit this chicken for about 20-25 minutes, checking it maybe every 5-6 minutes to see if it starts to turn brown. If so, we're gonna pull the pan out, we're gonna flip the chicken, throw it back in, and keep doing that every 5-6 minutes for about 25 minutes.
Fast, easy, clean. Get the full recipe now at lifestylevideos.com because you deserve dinner that delivers. Next up, summer barbecues are in full swing, but let's settle a sizzling debate: lump or briquettes.
Why would you want to choose one charcoal over another? The Argentinian charcoal burns very hot, great for steaks. My maple leaf charcoal out of Quebec burns at a slightly lower temperature, therefore I may use that with chicken when I want to cook at a lower temperature for a longer period of time. There's no rules and everyone will gravitate towards a favorite, and people will often ask, well, which one's the best? And that's a difficult question to ask. It's like answering the question, what's the best beer or what's the best wine? There's many good beers, many good wines. There's a lot of great quality charcoals out there.
Whether you're searing ribeyes or slow cooking brisket, we've got the flavor science and full checklist in this week's barbecue breakdown at lifestylevideos.com. Now, across the GTA, a quiet shift is happening. Boomers are downsizing, and it's unlocking opportunity for younger buyers who crave charm, but not renovation headaches. This week on Real Estate Rewired, what to know, what to look for, and why this shift could be your next big move.
The old ones, the ones with wallpaper from 1986, linoleum floors, and a dusty piano in the corner. They've seen things. Lately, those homes are starting to whisper again. Boomers are moving on, downsizing, retiring, trading nostalgia for practicality. And in their wake, a new generation is stepping in. First-time buyers, young families, people with dreams and debt and maybe just enough courage to make an offer. But be warned, these homes aren't hand-me-downs. They come with baggage, deferred maintenance, outdated wiring.
That's LSV Weekly for stories to spark your week, your kitchen, and your next big move. Like, subscribe, and head to lifestylevideos.com for the full features, bonus tips, and your GTA lifestyle decoded.